listening to my dad, man. This heavy ass compound I gotta carry. My dad said, get you a girl with some ambition, Ty. Get you a girl with some dreams and some hopes. Now my ass is working. Third day in a row. Thanks, Dad. Thanks. Oh, Lord.
So, today we're gonna be working in the back two bedrooms, doing some, plastering, and, that's pretty much what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna finish getting the wallpaper off the wall. And, yeah, that's gonna be the situation at hand, and, that's all we can do. You feed me? He just wants y'all to see that he actually be doing something. He don't be doing shit. He just wants y'all to see. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. It's been a crazy process. We're making progress, but it ain't. It's gonna take forever. Real talk. It's a lot. We gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So what we doing is we using hot water right there. See, you got the hot water. We spraying it on like that. You know, let it sit for a little while, and then we taking it off. But unfortunately, we doing this way because the heat gun don't work. And this is the best, most convenient way.
And last time we trying to get it off.
And peeling it off didn't work. So that's what we got to do. But we got 2 layers of dry wallpaper under here. So we got to get it like that. You know what I'm saying? Got it all off now, and we making it work. Got the camera on deck, of course. I think I swallowed a paint chip. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm in my foyer right now. This is my foyer. This is the door right here. As you can see, this is the door when you enter the front of the house. And I'm in the foyer, and they have what is this? I keep calling it drywall. It's not drywall. What is this called? Wallpaper in here as well. So what I'm doing is I'm going to scrape it just like I did in the dining room. I want to finish scraping the wallpaper off and you know, try to get as much done as I possibly can. The idea was that you want to soak it as much as you can, because once it's soaked, it's easier to peel off and get the wallpaper off. But in this case, I have to really put X's in the wall over here so that water can get behind there. If not, the water's not gonna get behind there because the material of this type of particular drywall. I mean, not wallpaper. All right, so this is the finished scraped wall from the wallpaper. You saw earlier, here's the door, you know. I showed y'all that earlier. This is where I was scraping earlier. It's completely gone. Our guest today is my Faji. I call her Faji. Oh, what is going on with this thing, Ty? I swear. Our guest today is my Faji. And he's back here doing a little plaster work for us. Because he's so nice. Ain't that right, Dad? What? You hooking us up with the plaster work.
I'm doing what now?
You plastering for us. For me.
I'm just teaching y'all how to.
So what you just do, Dad? Tell me what you just did.
Scrape my crack, make my crack a little wider.
Alright, y'all, what up? It's day 2 of the Nisa Project. We doing a little bit of things. We got the this wallpaper to peel off. We peeled off almost one wall, not really. You know, right back here, you working on another wall. So we just trying to get as much done as we possibly can. We did get a late start today, but that's okay. Sometimes you get late starts and that's just what it is, you know. So yes, we take it day by day. Probably saw a little bit. We were supposed to work in the bathrooms and the bedrooms and do some work. We really didn't get around to it. So we might come back tomorrow or another day or whatever to finish that up. I ain't gonna work on it too hard. I know he'd be probably gonna wrap up and then probably like the next 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll be back at another day. Peace.
I'm just trying to do my thing, shine like a star. Skills in the place, banner, you know who we are. I'm Nike, that's Nate, you know K9. Already said my name, I just say the rhyme.